दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल स्मार्ट स्टेनोग्राफर को और लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं।
Start. Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railway and Commerce and Industry, held a meeting with top courier service agencies to facilitate robust partnership with railway freight and parcel service. During the meeting, it was informed that Railways was set to offer reliable, fast, affordable, and easy to handle parcel services for logistics courier agencies. The meeting was called to discuss and explore the possibilities of expanding the business of private parcel services through Indian Railways. In order to quickly work out the best guidelines and ease of doing business, joint working group is going to be formed consisting of railway officials and representatives of logistics courier providers. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that win-win solutions needed to be there to ensure a sustainable business development for all. It may also be noted that total 5,292 parcel trains run by Indian Railways from 22/3/2020 till 2/9/2020, out of which 5,139 have been timetabled trains. Total 3,18,453 tons of consignments have been loaded in these trains and the earnings have been rupees 116.19 crores. It is worth mentioning that Indian Railways freight loading for the month of August 2020 with total 94.33 million tons of freight loading surpasses last year's loading for the same month. Total 1,41,049 rakes with 451.38 million tons of freight loaded by Indian Railways from 25/3/2020 till 1/9/2020. A number of concessions discounts are also being given in Indian Railways to make railways freight movement very attractive. Improvements in freight movements will be institutionalized and incorporated in upcoming zero-based timetable. Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railways and Commerce and Industry, held meeting with two officials of all the states through which the dedicated freight corridor would pass. The meeting was attended by all the top officials of Railway Board, DFCCIL during CRB and MD DFCCIL. Shri Goyal directed the DFCCIL management team and the states to take all possible steps to speed up the pace of works on all the sections of the Western DFS 1504 route kilometer and Eastern DFS 1856 route kilometers. In the review meeting, progress of each individual state was discussed in detail and instructions were given to ensure smooth progress by resolving all hindrances. During the review meeting, progress made about acquisition of land and construction of road over bridges ROBs in the states were discussed and resolved. State officials were asked to expedite the process of arbitration and enforce law if there were issues like obstruction of work in any patch of work. In order to fast track the project, it was decided to hold regular meetings with all state officials on a daily basis if need be. During the meeting, it was decided that strict monitoring of work in all sections to be done. Dedicated Freight Corridors (DFS) is one of the largest rail infrastructure projects, a total length of 3,360 route kilometers undertaken by the Government of India. The overall cost is paced at rupees 81,459 crores. DFCCIL has been set up as a special purpose vehicle to undertake planning, development, mobilization of financial resources, construction, maintenance, and operation of dedicated freight corridors.